The 2022 Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR Carbon Edition. What's new? Plug-in hybrid and diesel engines no longer available. Minor changes to optional and standard equipment. Part of the second Range Rover Sport generation introduced for 2014. The 2022 Land Rover Range Rover Sport is a mid-size luxury SUV. It slots between the full-size Range Rover and the smaller, sleeker Range Rover Evoque and Land Rover's lineup. The current generation Range Rover Sport dates back to 2014, but Land Rover has made enough rolling updates over the years to largely keep pace with the competition. There are a few significant changes for 2022, most notably to the powertrain offerings. The turbocharged diesel V6 is no longer available, and the plug-in hybrid variant has been dropped for 2022 because of parts shortages caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Range Rover Sport has a lot of competition in the market. Some of our favorite midsize luxury SUVs include the Audi Q8, BMW X5, Mercedes-Benz GLE and Porsche Cayenne. Compared to those rivals, the Range Rover Sport is a step or two behind in terms of comfort and technology features. It's also somewhat more expensive, though you do get respectable off-road capability as part of the deal. Overall, the Range Rover Sport isn't our top pick for a mid-size SUV, but it has a certain charm that's hard to replicate elsewhere. We think the best pick of the bunch is the HSE Silver Edition. It offers more standard features than the base SE, while keeping the cost reasonable. You'll probably want the Drive Pro pack option as it adds some helpful advanced driver aids such as traffic adaptive cruise control. Land Rover Range Rover Sport models. The 2022 Land Rover Range Rover Sport is available in 7 trim levels: SE, HSE Silver Edition, HST, HSE Dynamic, Autobiography, SVR and SVR Carbon Edition. For 2022, the engine lineup has been slimmed down. Land Rover no longer offers the diesel engine or the plug-in hybrid powertrain. That leaves the turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 and supercharged 5.0-liter V8 as the only two engines. Both are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard 4-wheel drive. Thrilling performance and elegance go hand in hand across the Land Rover lineup, and with the addition of the 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition, West Palm Beach drivers can be some of the first to experience the fastest and most powerful SUV from Land Rover. From the vibrant 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition colors to intelligent engineering, this new SUV is sure to fit perfectly into your daily driving experience. Read on with Land Rover Palm Beach to get a peek at the 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition price and capabilities. (2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition price). From the Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition colors to the feature-rich interior stocked with luxurious amenities, this new SUV brings comfort to your busy lifestyle around Delray Beach. The 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition price starts at $141,600 MSRP. You didn't have to wait long to enhance your driving experience, as the Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition release date has come and gone, so you can actually order yours today with Land Rover Palm Beach. The 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition colors and design. Tailored design is found throughout every aspect of the Ultimate Edition. The vibrant 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition colors give you exterior options such as Maya Blue Gloss and Marl Grey Gloss that give you a star-like sparkle, or find a sleek and stealthier option with the Ligurian Black Satin. On top of the eye-catching colors, the 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition was carefully designed by the SV Bespoke team, with black knurled Range Rover lettering on the hood and tailgate, and a contrasting Fuji white edging used for side fender accents. The exterior design is completed by a body-colored carbon fiber vented hood, 22-inch 5-split spoke forged alloy wheels, and an SVR's Narvik black contrast roof, door mirror caps, front grills and grille surrounds, front wing detail and tailgate finishers. The 2022 Range Rover Sport SVR Ultimate Edition engine specs. Not only does this new SUV look stunning, you're heading to the streets of Wellington with the fastest, most powerful Land Rover ever produced. This model is backed by a 575 horsepower version of the 5.0-liter V8 supercharged engine and generates 516 foot-pounds of torque. Take on your next adventure with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.3 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds, and a top speed of 176 miles per hour, 283 kilometers per hour.